Good morning, students. Exercise 8.2 of chapter 8, question number 4. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC, BD is a diagonal, and E is the midpoint of AD. A line is drawn through E parallel to AB intersecting BC at F. Show that F is the midpoint of BC. So you can see that this is a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to CD and BD is the diagonal. E is midpoint of AD and a line is drawn through E parallel to AB. This line EF is parallel to AB intersecting BC at F. We have to show that F is midpoint of this BC. Okay, so we'll write given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC, BD is diagonal and E is midpoint of AD. E is midpoint of AD and one more thing is given that AB is parallel to EF also. So we can use this midpoint theorem here. See, one midpoint given, a triangle is given, lines are parallel given. So we can use here, by using converse theorem, we can prove that this point is the midpoint of BD. So name this point G. So first of all, consider triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, E is midpoint of AD, this is given, and EF is parallel to AB given. It means EG is also parallel to AB. So G is midpoint of BD by converse of MPT, midpoint theorem. By converse midpoint theorem, G is also midpoint. Okay, one midpoint we have got and this is given. Now we have to say that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to EF also. So from here we can say that CD is also parallel to EF. It means CD is parallel to GF also. This GF you can see. CD is parallel to EF. GF is part of this line segment. So GF is parallel to CD. Now we consider which triangle? We consider triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, GF is parallel to CD. Okay, G is midpoint of BD, proved above. So F is midpoint of BC. How? By converse of midpoint theorem. By converse of midpoint theorem, F is midpoint of BC. Hence proved. Hence proved. Show that, question number 6, show that the line segment joining the midpoints of opposite sides of quadrilateral bisect each other. Okay. See, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Midpoints of these sides are P, Q, R and S. We have to prove that line segment joining the midpoints bisect each other. Means if these line segments, these PR and QS are intersecting each other at O, we have to prove that OP is equals to OR and OS is equals to OQ. This we have to prove. This is a quadrilateral and midpoints are PQRS. line segment joining the midpoints. You can see these are the line segments. PR and SQ are the line segment. We have to prove they are bisecting each other. Okay, so first of all we have to draw a diagonal of quadrilateral BD, and here we'll draw AC. Then we can take help of midpoint theorem. Okay, so one by one we consider triangles. First of all we are considering triangle ACD. In triangle ACD you can see that S and R are midpoints of the sides. This is a triangle ACD. S and R are the midpoints of the side. So we'll write S and R are midpoints of AD and CD respectively. So we can say that SR is parallel to AC by midpoint theorem. Okay, midpoint theorem. In a triangle, line joining the midpoints of any two sides is parallel to third side. So SR is parallel to AC. Now you consider triangle ACB. In triangle ACB you can see PQ are the midpoints. P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. So we can say that PQ is parallel to AC by midpoint theorem. Similarly, you can say that in triangle, now you consider this diagonal. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, see this triangle ABD. S and P are the midpoints. S and P are midpoints of, S is midpoint of AD and P is midpoint of AB respectively. So we can say that here you can see that SP is parallel to BD, SP is parallel to BD, and if you consider this triangle CBD, here also Q and R are the midpoints of side BC and CD. So QR is parallel to BD. So we have got four pairs, two pairs now. SP is parallel to SR and SR is parallel to PQ. Okay, so these opposite sides are parallel to each other. It means by theorem we can say that PQRS is a parallelogram. By theorem we can say that PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram, and we know that in parallelogram opposite sides or diagonals bisect each other. Opposite sides are parallel and diagonals bisect each other. So we can say that PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS and diagonals PR and SQ bisect each other and at O. PQRS is a parallelogram. Diagonals PR and SQ bisect each other at O. So PO is equals to RO and SO is equals to OQ. Hence proved. This is what we have to prove. OP is equals to OR and OS is equals to OQ.